Hi Chicago! Inspiration can come from anywhere, but there are two places in particular that I get mine. At the Dye Line, of course, and here hanging out at my favourite beach in Auckland, New Zealand. So it's a really huge honour accepting this award from you and enjoying a little celebration. We've had so much fun on this project. Working on New Zealand's largest private label range is a huge opportunity, quite literally, as there are hundreds of lines, meaning there's a new project or 3 or 4 every single week, but this one was extra special. Maybe I was out in the sun too long, or perhaps I'd eaten far too much candy, I don't know, but thinking up crazy characters like a surfer monkey with a pineapple hat or a space exploring squirrel just kind of came naturally. And we're lucky enough to have a client that appreciates something a little different. We're super excited to have our work recognised internationally. All of us here at Brother Design just love the Dye Line, and we love that you celebrate all things packaging. So, super thanks to you all. I really wish I could be there. Have a wonderful night. Cheers!